Hello guys, nice to see you. I'm from KidsRachel.cn. KidsRachel.cn. This is about our information. Okay, today I want to show you the shoes of Nike LeBron 12 All-Star. Okay, let's have a quickly look of the shoes. Okay, now let's check the shoe box. On this surface, you can see the Nike logo, and this is about the shoes information. Okay, now there is the 2015. Let's open it. You can see a paper here. Okay, here goes the details of the shoes. As you can see, this shoes looks very nice and looks very colorful. You can see a big Nike logo and black letters, a little shiny. On the front, you can see this white surface and black shoelace and some green on it. The middle tongue, you can see many stars, and the top tongue, you can see the bright green. It is very special. Okay, another side. You can see it looks very cool and looks very colorful. The back, you can see the heel is very cool and it is very hard. Okay, let's check the bottom. It looks very colorful, looks very fashion. Okay, and let's check the insole. You can see the shoelace tip, pink. Okay, you can see the insole. There is a map like that, and you can see the size tab. Okay, let's check it together. It looks very cool and looks very fashion. Looks very nice. Okay, if you are interested in our shoes, please click our website KidsRachel.cn. KidsRachel.cn. See you next time.